I will discuss about the application of Avogadro's hypothesis. Application of Avogadro's hypothesis. There are a large number of applications of Avogadro's hypothesis. Let me discuss about the first application of Avogadro's hypothesis. First application is to determine the atomicity of oxygen. To determine the atomicity of oxygen. For determination of atomicity of oxygen, let us consider an example. Let us consider a reaction. Suppose take a reaction. Let us consider a reaction. Hydrogen react with oxygen gives water molecule. Let me write down the equation. H2 2H2 plus O2 gives a 2H2O. Experimentally it is seen that two volume of hydrogen react with one volume of oxygen to produce two volume of water. Now write down the equation. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. We can write, by applying Avogadro's hypothesis, we can write two volume, one volume, that is your two volume. By applying Avogadro's hypothesis, suppose let one volume of each gas contain n molecules. Then we can write 2n molecule. Next is your n molecule. Next is your 2n molecule. This is your application of Avogadro's hypothesis. So we can write in bracket Avogadro's hypothesis. This is your application. Now divide by this by the help of n, then we can find out 2 molecule. Next is your 1 molecule. Next is your what? 2 molecule. Now find out for 1 molecule of H2O. We can write 1 molecule of H2O. Then divide by 2. That is your 1 by 2 molecule. Again divide this by 2. Then 1 molecule. From this relation, it is clear that one from the above it is clear that one molecule of hydrogen combine with half molecule of oxygen to form one molecule of water. Therefore we can write molecular mass of water H2O is equal to molecular mass of what? Hydrogen. Molecular mass of hydrogen plus 1 by 2 molecule, means 1 by 2 into molecular mass of oxygen. We know that molecular mass of water is your 18 AMU. Next, molecular mass of hydrogen is your 2 AMU. Now we take 1 by 2 into molecular mass of oxygen. Our aim to find out the molecular mass of oxygen. So we can write 1 by 2 into molecular mass of oxygen equal to what? 18 minus 2. That is your how much? 16 AMU. Imply that we can write 1 by 2 into molecular mass of oxygen is equal to 16 AMU. Next, molecular mass of oxygen is how much? 2 multiply then 2 into 16 AMU. We can write molecular mass of oxygen equal to 2 into 16 AMU means atomic mass. We can put atomic mass of oxygen. From this it is concluded that molecular mass of oxygen can be found by the help of atomic mass and it is multiplied with 2. That means we can write that therefore the atomicity of oxygen in oxygen molecule is your 2. This is the first application of Avogadro's hypothesis. Let me discuss about the second application of Avogadro's hypothesis. What is the second application of Avogadro's hypothesis? Application number 2. To prove molecular mass equal to 2 into vapor density. Already we know about the formula in molecular mass. When we determine the molecular mass, then generally use this type of formula. Now our aim to prove that how molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. We know that vapor density is equal to what? What is the formula? We know already. Vapor density in shortcut we can write Vt, weight of xml of a gas at NTP divided by weight of xml of hydrogen gas at NTP. This is our formula of vapor density. Now we can write vapor density is equal to, let me divide xml by x and xml by x. That means weight of 1 ml of a gas at NTP divided by weight of 1 ml of hydrogen gas at NTP. Otherwise, you can also apply the Avogadro's hypothesis directly, and we can write, suppose xml of a gas contain n atoms, then other xml, that is your hydrogen atom, also contain n atom, because both the gases are present at similar condition of temperature and pressure. So we can write weight of one molecule of a gas at NTP divided by weight of one molecule of a gas of hydrogen gas at NTP. Next is your what? Vapor density is equal. We know that weight of 1 ml of gas is considered as the molecular mass of the gas. Weight of one molecule of hydrogen, that is your 2. So we can write molecular mass equal to 2 into vapor density. Here we applied from this step to this step. We can find out by the help of application of Avogadro's hypothesis.